Hey guys, it's Karlee and I'm back with a brand new video all about eyelashes today. So I wanted to do this video because we are all wearing masks right now because of COVID and we're covering up most of our face, but our eyes are still out, and so I think eyelashes are really important right now. I think a lot of girls were getting eyelash extensions, maybe not so much right now, just with everything going on. So I wanted to show you 3 different kinds of eyelashes that you can get right at the drugstore that can give you that lash look and just amp up your eyes because we're covering our face. Our first eyelash look is the Trio Bundles. Please excuse me, these are all personal lashes, so you've seen that I've used them. But the first lash is a trio lash, and I find these to be super easy to use, like super easy, user-friendly to use. People that struggle with eyelashes, this is what I suggest. So it's kind of like a couple individuals in a clump, and I just place these on the outside of my eyes, and it just gives you that lift and that extra oomph that you need. And so all you need are the trios, and you can get these. These are Ardell trios, glue, and a tweezer. So the first thing I do is I just put out a little bit of glue in one of the containers. I have a variation, short and mediums. I like to place one medium on the very outer corner, followed by a shorter one, just to give that almost almond shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. And it's that easy. You just literally drop them on your eyelashes. Like, don't overcomplicate it. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference between this eye and this eye, but this eye just looks a little bit more lifted and open. For filming purpose, I'm not actually putting on this mask because it's gonna ruin my makeup underneath, but you guys get the point. Our second eyelash look is individuals. I use the Mega Flare individuals because they're a little bit more glam. They have natural ones too, so it just kind of depends on you and your mood. So I'm again just gonna place one on the outside. This is gonna give you a similar look where the trios are just in a clump already, so it's kind of doing the work for you. This one you could get more creative and create what you wanna go for. That's why I wanted to show you guys the trios, because these are a little bit easier. It's kind of doing the work for you. So once again, this is a subtle difference, and you can amp it up as much as you want, or as little as you want. That's what's nice about individuals. These are like your lashes, but better. Nobody knows that you're wearing them. Gives you a little ump on the ends. Number 3, strip lashes, which looks like this. These are my favorite. These are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. I think a lot of people see these and get a little nervous, or the first response always is, oh, those are too hard, I don't know how to do them. They're super easy, and I just want to show you guys little tips and tricks to make them look really good on the eye. So my first tip when you're doing a strip lash like this is to do a little black eyeliner line, because this will help the illusion that these are your eyelashes. So a very thin line on top. I'll show you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's basically just gonna hide the lash band. Like, that's it. Don't go thicker than that. What you want to do with strip lashes is always measure them to your eye and cut them accordingly. Most people have to cut parts of the eyelash off to make it look natural, unless you have very big eyes, but that's very uncommon. I never really do that with any of my clients. So what you'll see is you'll just gently lay the lash down, and you can see how much is like hanging off. And so basically, I know how much to cut off. I'm gonna just cut off the tail end. So I'm just gonna snip off that little end. And you always wanna cut from the outside. You wanna cut from the outside of the lash, not the inside of the lash. So now that we're cut, I always bend it a little bit. This will help for application. I'm gonna apply a little bit of glue, not a lot, just right on the strip band. I'm applying glue. And then you gotta wait and let the glue get tacky, just like your boyfriend's ex. I'm kidding. If the glue is too wet and you try to put this on your eye, it's gonna be a disaster. Just wait 2 minutes, shake it out, let it get tacky, and it'll be so much easier to apply the lash. Let's not overcomplicate it. We're just gonna literally place it down on top of your lash. Then this is when I like to use tweezers. I like to really attach the middle of the lash, the end of the lash, and then I get these inner corners. This is all about practice. Practice makes perfect. Little practice, a little patience, and boom. So this, you can see, makes a big difference between the two eyes. Then you just let the glue dry all the way down, and you're good to go. So these were all the looks. I hope you guys learned something today. Obviously, wearing a mask is not ideal for anyone right now, but it's important, and I hope you guys feel more confident now wearing your mask out in public. For more on me, you can find me on Instagram at Karlee Makeup, and for more content like this, visit lifebyla.com. Stay beautiful, but most importantly, stay safe. See you next time.
Like that video? Make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking left. And for more awesome content, click right. To schedule your free consultation for any of our services, click the on-screen link. What are you waiting for?